Hey guys, we're just at the Melbourne. We're just at the beach at the DoubleTree hotel at Melbourne, Florida. So yeah, can we just go now, Mom? Can we just go? So okay, let's go. I just want to show everyone about my one. Hi guys, so the aluminum ceiling is a Gentex speaker. That's what the alarms are. They're on ceiling. Whoops. Oops, sorry. You coming, Mom? And outside, that's a Gentex speaker. And then that's a Gentex Command 2 or 3. It's a 5B12. And then I think that might be a home shoulder still, but I don't know. And then that's a Gentex speaker show. Smoke detector. And now, okay. Now downstairs, the beach weather then Gentex Commander. Gentex speaker strobe. Yeah, those are Gentex speaker strobes on the wall. So yeah. And maybe that's all I'm gonna show you about it. And thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll have a nice trip, right? Thanks for watching. Bye. Xbox Mini signing off.